Hello my dear students, class 9th. Welcome to my channel CBSE Tutorials. Today I am going to explain you video regarding your important questions of NCERT Science. PYQs, previous year's questions most expected in your final term. Let's start with the first question. Identify the element from the following substances: sulfur, brine, hydrochloric acid, water, neon, paper and sugar. You have to identify the element. So neon and sulfur, these are elements. Okay. Now question number 2. Answer the questions from 3A to 3D on the basis of your understanding the following paragraph and related studied concept. The table given below shows distance in centimeter traveled by the bodies A, B and C. Read this data carefully and answer the following questions. Now distance in centimeter covered by different bodies, time in seconds, body A, B and C. In first second, body A covered 20 km, B 20, C again 20. Now in second, body A covers 20 km, B 36 and body C 60 km. In third second, again body A covers 20 km, B 24 and C 100 km. In fourth second, body A again covers 20 km, B 30 and body C 140. In fifth second, students, the body A covers 20 kilometers, body B 48 and body C 180 kilometers. Now first question is, which of the bodies is moving with constant speed? बॉडी ए. बेटा कांस्टेंट स्पीड से कौन मूव कर रहा है? बॉडी ए. आप देख रहे हो ना, इसमें हर सेकेंड में टोटल जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया है वो सेम है. ओके, 20 किलोमीटर. तो कांस्टेंट स्पीड किसकी हुई? बॉडी ए की. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द बॉडीज विद कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन? नाउ बॉडी सी जो चेंज हो रहा है स्पीड में बेटा, दैट इज कांस्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल 60 minus 20 is 40. 100 minus 60 again 40. 180 minus 140 again 40. So difference in the speed is same in all the cases. So the constant acceleration is of body C, right? Next is, which of the bodies is moving with non-uniform acceleration? Now look here, body B, the difference between the change in speed is not uniform. 20, 36, 24, 30, 48. So with non-uniform acceleration, body B is moving. Now D part, which of the bodies maximum distance in third second? तो थर्ड सेकेंड, लेट्स सी, देखिए थर्ड सेकेंड में मैक्सिमम 100 किलोमीटर किसने कवर किया है? बॉडी सी ने. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ कैन यू चेंज अ सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन टू एन अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन विदाउट एडिंग एनी मोर सॉल्वेंट इन इट? आप एक ऐसे सॉल्यूशन को जिसमें कुछ भी डिज़ोल्व नहीं होता, सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन जिसे कहते हैं, उसे आप अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन में कैसे चेंज कर सकते हो बिना सॉल्वेंट ऐड किए? तो बेटा देयर इज़ ओनली वन मेथड टू डू दिस, दैट इज़ बाय हीटिंग इट. एज हीटिंग द सॉल्यूशन हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग इट्स solubility, you can add more solute. Okay, it becomes unsaturated solution on heating, right? Question number 4. Archimedes' principle holds for किसके लिए आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल यूज़ किया जाता है? ऑप्शन ए लिक्विड्स, बी गैसेस ओनली, सी लिक्विड एंड गैसेस बोथ, डी पार्ट नाइदर लिक्विड नॉर गैसेस. So right answer is Archimedes principle holds for both liquids and gases. Option C is right one. Next is question number 5. A key of mechanical piano is struck gently and then struck again by much harder this time. एक बार हमने पियानो को स्ट्रक किया है जेंटली, आराम से, लेकिन दूसरी टाइम हमने उसको हार्ड यानी ज़ोर से स्ट्रक किया है. तो क्या रिजल्ट आने वाला है हमारे पास? राइट आंसर इज साउंड विल बी लाउडर बट पिच विल नॉट बी डिफरेंट. ए पार्ट इज द राइट आंसर. क्यों बेटा? क्योंकि जब हमने सेकेंड टाइम उसको हार्ड किया ना, तो साउंड लाउड हो सकती है, लेकिन पिच जो है वो आपकी डिफरेंट नहीं होगी, सेम होगी. क्यों? पिच किस पे डिपेंड करती है? फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. ओके, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी तो सेम है, इसलिए पिच विल नॉट बी डिफरेंट. लेकिन जो स्ट्राइक किया है हार्ड, तो जो लाउडनेस है उससे जो साउंड है वो लाउडर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि एम्पलीट्यूड बढ़ गया. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ड्यूरिंग समर वाटर kept the earthen pot become cool. ठंडा हो जाता है because of the phenomena of what? A diffusion, B transpiration, C osmosis, or D evaporation. So my dear student, evaporation is the right one. Question number 7. The Origin of Species is written by Charles Darwin. Okay, Darwin wrote the book The Origin of Species. Now next is question number 8. Which of the following is not a property of solids? इनमें से आपको कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है जो नहीं लगती कि वो सॉलिड की प्रॉपर्टी है ना? कौन सी नहीं है भाई? देखिए, इंटर पार्टिकल स्पेसेस आर मिनिमम, ये तो है प्रॉपर्टी. डेफिनेट शेप और वॉल्यूम भी होती है. फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द पार्टिकल आर मैक्सिमम, वो तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैक्सिमम होता है फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन सॉलिड्स में. डी पार्ट है पार्टिकल्स कैन मूव फ्रीली विद इन अ लिमिटेड स्पेस. ये डी पार्ट कहता है कि सॉलिड में पार्टिकल्स अपनी मर्जी से इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं. तो डी पार्ट हमारा जो है दैट इज़ नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सॉलिड्स. ओके, राइट आंसर इज D1. Particles can move freely within a limited space. Now directions for question 9 to 10. The following questions consist of two statements, assertion A and reason R. Answer these questions selecting the appropriate option given below. Now assertion A is a mixture of salt and camphor is separated by sublimation. Okay, this is right. Assertion is right. Reason is camphor is sublimable whereas salt is non-sublimable component. Now answer is A. A means assertion is right, reason is also right, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. Now 10th, assertion is a gun recoil after firing from a bullet. Again it is right. Reason, action and reaction are equal and opposite and act on different bodies. Yes, it is right. Now here again, like question number 9, assertion is right, reason is also right, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is A. Element with valency 1 are called what? They are always metals or always metalloids or either metals or non-metals or always non-metal. So correct answer is option C. element with valency 1 are either metals or non-metals, right? Next is question number 12. The number of electron in an element X is 15 and the number of neutron is 16. Which of the following is the correct representation of the element? अब देखो, आपको मालूम है कि अपर साइड में एलिमेंट के हम क्या लिखते हैं, मास, और बेस में उसके हम नीचे क्या लिखते हैं, एटॉमिक नंबर. तो यहाँ पर बताया है इलेक्ट्रॉन 15 यानी एटॉमिक नंबर 15 है और न्यूट्रॉन का 16 नंबर दिया है. तो बेटा एटॉमिक मास की जो डेफिनेशन है वो क्या है, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन. तो यहाँ पर हमें मालूम है एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन इक्वल होते हैं 15. तो प्रोटॉन को अगर हम 15 ले रहे हैं और न्यूट्रॉन को हम 16 ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर 16 प्लस 15 एटॉमिक मास क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. सो 15 प्लस 16 इट कम्स आउट टू बी 31. ओके, सो ए ऑप्शन इज राइट वन बिकॉज एटॉमिक नंबर तो 15 है, बेस में आएगा जो. So X is the element, 31 is the mass and 15 is the atomic number. A option is right one. Now 13th question, an atom with 3 protons and 4 neutrons will have a valency of. Now what is valency? Valency are the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Okay, so here we write the electronic configuration of atomic number. Atomic number is here 3 because 3 protons are there. So we will fill the shell like 2, 1. So what is the valency? 1. Okay, C option is right one. 14th question, an object is put one by one in 3 equal liquid having different density. The object floats with 1 by 9, 2 by 11, 3 by 7 part of their volume outside. The liquid surface in liquid of densities D1, D2, D3. These are the densities respectively given above. Which of the following statement is correct? Now look here. Observe this pattern, 1 by 9, 2 by 11, 3 by 7. Here D1 is 1 by 9, D2 is 2 by 11 and D3 is 3 by 7. So the increasing order is the right one because more the density, more will be the volume outside. Okay, so D1 is less than D2, D2 is less than D3, D3 is maximum. So answer C is the, C option is the right one. Okay, more the density, more their volume outside. Question number 15, name the solvent in which sulfur powder dissolves, that is carbon disulfide. Tissue that makes up the husk of coconut, sclerenchymatous tissue made up of dead cells. Question number 17, types of enzymes are present in lysosomes. These are hydraulic enzymes, also known as digestive enzymes. Now SI unit of force, it is Newton. Symbol is capital N. Name the smallest cell organelle, that is ribosomes. It is non-membranous also. Smallest cell organelle. It is responsible for the protein synthesis and it is manufactured by nucleolus. Okay. Question number 20. Define isotope. The atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Okay. Chlorine is the best example. Chlorine having same atomic number 7, having different atomic masses given in your NCERT book. Now section B, with the help of an activity show that air contains water vapor. So my dear student, the formation of droplets of water on the outer surface of a glass tumbler containing crushed ice is the best activity to show that air contains water vapor. Now what is condensation? Very simple, the process by which water vapor again converted or changed into liquid water at low temperature. Now question number 23, fog and clouds are both colloidal in nature. How do they differ? Now, fog, it forms close to earth, whereas clouds, they formed away from earth. Question number 24, what is the function of fractionating column in the fractional distillation? Now, fractionating column having very important role in fractional distillation, that is to separate the liquids according to the order of their vaporization, so that they get separated as they are vaporized. Clear? 25th question, what types of mixtures are represented by the following? Carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water, it is homogeneous. Air containing suspended particles, it is heterogeneous mixture. Question number 26, what types of mixtures can be separated by the technique known as crystallization? A solid from its liquid solution in the form of pure crystals. Calculate the formula unit mass of Na2SO4, means sodium sulfate. Now, here is the formula for calculating the unit mass. You can calculate the unit mass of any compound by using this formula. What is the formula? 2 multiplied by atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen. Then you have to add up the atomic masses of given atoms to find out the total formula. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 23 is the atomic mass of sodium, plus sulfur's atomic mass is 32, plus 4 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen 16. You will get 142 gram. Okay, this is the formula unit mass of sodium sulfate. Now convert 12 grams of oxygen gas into moles. Now what is the formula for that? Formula is given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass is 12 and molar mass is 32. So you will get 0.375 mole. What is the mass of an electron? It is 9.109387 into 10 raised to 10 square raised to power of minus 31 kg. Okay, it means 9.1093837 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg is the mass of an electron. Which organelle is in animal cell is associated with the spindle formation during the cell division, that is centrosome. Question number 31. How is endoplasmic reticulum important for membrane biogenesis? For the formation of membrane, how endoplasmic reticulum is important? My dear students, what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? They help in the formation of lipid proteins, and both these lipid proteins are used in the membrane biogenesis. Okay. Question number 32. How are chromatin, chromatid and chromosome are related with each other? Also, you can find this question in your exams, like differentiate between chromatin, chromatid and chromosome. Now, chromatin is what? DNA and protein material, genetic material, thread-like structures are present. Now, again, this chromatin, when condensed, the condensed form of chromatin is known as chromatid, and when two chromatids in paired form, they form chromosome, right? Why is Golgi apparatus called secretory organelle of the cell? Question number 33. The Golgi apparatus called the secretory organelle of the cell because Golgi apparatus helps in protein transportation within and out of cell. It is its main function. Now discuss the role of hybridization in crop variety improvement. Answer is, to need best quality, hybridization is very important. Number 2, to increase the yield. As population is increasing, it is very necessary to increase the yield of crops. So hybridization is the best method. Now third one, special character. What's the special character we obtained? by the process of hybridization in crop variety improvement, that is tolerance, resistance, power increases. Okay. Now question number 33. Following are few organisms: lichen, mosses, mango tree, cactus. Which among the above can grow on stones and also help information of soil? Write the mode of their action for making soil. Now, A part, lichen, is the right answer because they formed by the symbiotic relationship between fungus and algae. Algae prepare food for the fungus and fungus provides shelter to algae. So it is a very beautiful, nice symbiotic relationship between fungus and algae. By etching the rock surface, okay, it helps in the formation of soil. Now question number 34. Fertile soil have lots of humus. Why? Answer is, fertile soil has a number of microorganisms in it that decompose the organic matter and convert it into humus. 35th question. What is the source of centripetal force that a planet required to revolve around the sun? On what factors does the force depend? Now, gravitational force is the source of centripetal force that a planet required to revolve around the sun. Now, the factor on which gravitational force it depends upon the product of masses of the object and the distance between them. Question number 36. Suppose gravity of Earth suddenly becomes zero. Then which direction will the moon begin to move if no other celestial bodies affects it? Answer is, the moon will move in a straight line because the circular motion of the moon is due to the centripetal force provided by the gravitational force. And if the gravitational force becomes zero, it means no centripetal force is there to help the moon to move. So it will move in a straight line. Okay. Question number 37. Write three differences between transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Now, transfer waves are non-mechanical waves, number 1. Number 2, they consist of crest and troughs. Number 3, displacement of particles is perpendicular to the direction the wave is traveling. These are the three characteristics of transfer waves. Now look the difference. Longitudinal waves, they are mechanical waves, consist of compressions and rarefactions. Displacement of particles happens parallel to the direction of the waves. In transverse waves, the displacement of particles was perpendicular to the direction the wave is traveling, but here it is parallel to the direction the waves travel. Question number 40a. The speed of a vehicle of mass 500 kg increases from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. एक व्हीकल की जो स्पीड है बेटा, जिस व्हीकल का मास कितना है 500 kg, इसकी स्पीड 36 किलोमीटर आवर से बढ़कर कितनी हो जाती है 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आपने कैलकुलेट करना है काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए इनिशियल स्पीड हमारे पास 36 किलोमीटर है, जिसको यू से डिनोट करेंगे. अगर इस हम मीटर पर सेकेंड में चेंज करते हैं तो इट बिकम्स 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. फाइनल स्पीड 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? mv स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 माइनस mu स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. तो इट बिकम्स 7.5 into 10 raised to power 4 joules. Now B part is, what is the relationship between commercial unit and SI unit of energy? 1 kilowatt hour, we can write this 1 kilowatt hour into 1 hour. Now if we are writing only watt, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt multiplied by 1 hour. So 1000 joules per second. If we are converting 1 hour into seconds, it becomes 3600 seconds. We are getting here 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. This is the beautiful relationship between the commercial unit and SI unit of energy. Now 41 questions. A part, Derive the mathematical relation of Newton's second law of motion, very important. Now, this is the simple way I am going to give you. Let us consider an object of mass m moving with initial velocity u. After t time with constant acceleration, the final velocity becomes v. Now, p1 momentum is m into u initial and p2 final m into v. Now, change in momentum can be written as p2 minus p1. Now, p is the symbol for momentum. P into v minus p into u. M is common, v minus u. We know force is directly proportional to the mass multiplied by v minus u upon t. Okay, here v minus u upon t is what? Acceleration. Therefore, force is directly proportional to mass into acceleration ma. Now, k is the constant of proportionality. So, F is equal to ma. Second law of motion is proved. That is, force is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. Now, B part. Here is a numerical for you. A bullet of 10 gram strikes a sand at a speed of 10 raised to power 3 meter per second and gets embedded after traveling 5 centimeter. Calculate the resistive force exerted by the sand on the bullet and the time taken by the bullet to come to rest. अब इसमें आपको सीधा सीधा बताया है कि बुलेट का जो वेट कितना है, मास कितना है, 10 ग्राम. ये स्ट्राइक कर रही है सैंड के ऊपर कितनी स्पीड से? 10 रेज टू पावर 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से, और 5 सेंटीमीटर इम्बेडेड अंदर जाने के बाद ये रुक जाती है. कैलकुलेट द रेजिस्टिव फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द सैंड. आपको फोर्स कैलकुलेट करना है बुलेट पर कितना रेजिस्ट किया सैंड ने, एंड द टाइम टेकन बाय द बुलेट टू कम टू रेस्ट, और कितने टाइम के बाद जो बुलेट है वो रेस्ट वाली पोजीशन पर आ गई. नाउ गिवन मास इज 10 ग्राम. वी कैन राइट दिस एज 0.01 kg. Initial velocity u is equal to 10 raised to power 3 meter per second. It is given to you. Okay. Stopping distance is 5. 5 centimeter means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Since the bullet finally stops, so final speed of the bullet is 0. Let the acceleration be a using equation of motion v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Putting the value 0 minus 0 means v, final velocity of the bullet. 0 minus u 10 raised to power 3 square. Now 2a into 0.05. Here a is equal to minus 10 raised to power 6 upon 0.1. Again, this is the negative value of acceleration, which shows that the bullet is slowing down according to Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to ma. Here mass is equal to 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power 7. It comes out 10 raised to power 5 Newton. Okay. Next, 42 question. A part. What is momentum? Write its SI unit. Momentum seems to be the proportion of motion of a moving object. It is denoted by mv. Now, why does a boat tend to leave the shore when passengers are alighting from it? My dear students, by action reaction law, that is, for every action equal and opposite reaction is there. When passengers alight from the boat, they push the boat backward, and this results that the boat tends to leave the shore. Okay. Now, these are important questions of class 9th NCERT Science. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your patience, for your support, for your love. Have a nice day.